in this program we are having the text hello world written in single quotes with a print prompt. As we are running our application, our result will come in this manner. If I'm going to use this text with slash t, then my result will be coming with the tab space. If the same program I'm going to use slash n, then hello is coming the first line and world is coming the second line. If I use slash and slash t both, then hello in first line, new line, then type space is coming, then world is coming. That's about.